Today we're going to look at how to choose a research topic. So your research topic is really important. It's the foundation of your research, and choosing a topic is really quite important because you're turning your curiosity into a clear research question, which is quite important. And your research topic really matters because it determines what you're going to study. It will also help you to know what type of data you're going to collect and also what contribution that you're going to add to the wealth of knowledge that is out there. And finally, to help you stay motivated, trust me, research isn't easy peasy. But if you have a topic that matters to you, then definitely to keep you motivated because you want to see the outcome of it all and what contribution you're going to make. So, what makes a good research topic? Number one, it should be interesting. It should be something you care about. And when you care about something, you put your all into it. So it should be a topic you care about. It should be relevant. Definitely, it has to connect to your field of study or your profession, or it can even be related to your community. So if it's relevant, then it will help you stay motivated. Number three, it has to be feasible. You ask yourself, can you finish it within the available time that you have and the resources that you have? Because if you start it and there's not time or you run out of resources, then it's a waste of time. And finally, you must be able to add new insights or a fresh angle. So there should be something new that you're adding to the wealth of knowledge out there. And also, what is that fresh angle you're bringing? It might be something someone has done before, but you've seen it from another angle. So there must be fresh insight that you're bringing in. The different steps involved in choosing your research topic. Number one, you identify your area of interest. Ask yourself, what subjects do I enjoy most? In your coursework, what aspect do I enjoy that you love doing? Yeah. All this is going to help you in your research. Yeah. You think of life problems, there's something that you want to solve that you've been thinking about. Yeah, this is an opportunity for you to do a research in that area. What life problem will you like to solve? Then number two, when you finally identify your area of interest, the next thing is to narrow it down. So it can be a broad area, but you need to narrow it down to a specific problem. You can't say you want to do a project in public health. Public health is quite wide. What aspect of public health are you interested in? You need to narrow it down to a specific problem that you want to solve. Number three, you review the literature. You find out what has already been studied concerning that area of interest, that particular area that you want to do a research on. What is out there online? What has been done about it? You need to find that out. And that will help you know if there are gaps in what is already out there. And you can fill in that gap. That's your research. Or are there contradictions with what A has done or B has done? Is there something you could do to address those contradictions? That leads you to start asking new questions. What can I do? What has been done? I need to find out why A is B or why B is C. So you can only get that when you review the literature. Then number four, check feasibility. Ask yourself these questions. Do I have access to participants? Yeah. Or do I have access to data? If you don't, then it's a waste of time because if you can access the participants or you can't get access to data, then it's going to be a problem. Number two, do you have the skills that is required for that particular research? Do you have the tools that you need, everything that is needed to help you carry out that research? If you don't, then it's not feasible. Number three, can you complete it within a given time? So you have this time allocated for research. Are you able to complete it within that time? If you can't, then it's not feasible. You should look for something else that you can do. Number five, you now define your research question. It's really important. It's broad, you narrow it down, you review the literature and check if it's feasible. Then you define your research question because your research question is going to guide you to what type of data you're going to collect and what type of analysis that you're going to run. I have some examples here. So I mentioned public health earlier. So if you say you want to do a research in the field of public health, you think of a topic. I've narrowed it down: awareness of telemedicine among rural students. You can see that this is quite clear. The real issue here is telemedicine. I want to find out if rural students are aware that telemedicine is out there. So you narrow it down to a particular problem, and you look for a possible topic, yeah, that you could work on, and this will help you determine what type of data you're going to collect. Common mistakes to avoid: do not choose a broad topic or a topic that is too vague. Don't forget what I said about feasibility. Do you have the resources? Do you have the time? Do you have the tools and skills for that particular topic? If there's no data, then avoid that topic because you're not going to get anywhere. And also, do not repeat what has been done before, just repeating the same thing. Look for something new, or what angle are you going to approach that topic from? Then finally, do not choose any topic to impress any other person. You should choose a topic that you know you could work on because of what you want to add to knowledge. Yeah, don't forget, what problem do you want to solve? What do you love doing? Choose a topic not to impress others, but because you want to add to the wealth of knowledge out there. So, quick recap: to choose a topic, you need to identify your area of interest. When you identify your area of interest, you narrow it down and you review existing literature, what has been done about that topic. Check your feasibility. Is it possible? Do I have the resources? Do I have the time? Do I have the skill? Do I have the tools for this particular research? Then finally, you frame your questions clearly, be specific, let it not be vague. And in our next episode, we're going to look at how to write a research proposal. So I found that a lot of students struggle to write research proposal because it's very important you know how to do this. So in our next episode, we're going to learn how to write a research proposal. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video where we'll look at how to write a research proposal. Subscribe, drop your comments, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you, bye.